Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail.
Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm in my newly created Discord server here, and we're actually having a car meet here at the dealership. But as you guys can see, we have lots of nice cars. We have a McLaren P1, we have a Tesla Roadster, we have a Lamborghini Huracan, and we have a Nissan here, and we have the Camaro ZL1 and a Nissan GTR, and we have the Zenvo here and a Supra. Very nice looking cars, as you guys can see. Have some muscle cars and also some hypercars and electric cars and also supercars. But yeah, these are very nice cars. As you guys can see, these are all very nice looking cars. But I think right now we're gonna head over to the Dunkin's to have a little meet at the Dunkin Donut. But yeah, after that we'll probably go to the apartments down at the seaside area. But for now we're gonna go to the Dunkin Donut and have a little car meet there, after having this little nice car meet at the dealership here. But yeah, as you guys can see, we have a lot of nice looking cars here. But yeah, the Dunkin Donut is not too far away. It's actually quite close. Oh my goodness, almost crashed there. But let's head down to the Dunkin Donuts, which is I have no idea where the Dunkin Donut is. Oh, it's back here. I think I just head in here, and then you turn back to the Dunkin Donut because I missed the turn there. I'm pretty bad with the without location markers, but there is a glitch right now in game where there is no location markers, and you can't really see any location markers to see where the locations are, which I did not memorize where everything is yet. But we have made it to the Dunkin Donuts right here. Oops, my bad. So here's the Dunkin Donuts, and I think we're gonna have a little meet at the front over here. But yeah, pretty nice looking cars here, and we'll probably have a nice little meet here at the Dunkin Donuts. Probably get some coffee, and then head down to the beach after, have a little photo shoot. But yeah, everyone feel free to get some coffee. Oops, spelled coffee wrong. But yeah, let me actually go in and get a coffee pretty quick, cause I think I want a grab a coffee here. Oh my goodness, I cannot grab the coffee. Let me just yeah, I think I'm good with the coffee then. I guess Dunkin Donut hates me. Cannot get a coffee. But ooh, new car at the meet. Somebody just pulled up in a BMW M2 here. Very nice cars, as you guys see. But this yellow Supra is also very clean. And this cyan or blue Tesla Roadster, I actually used to have this Roadster, exact same looking like this. I used to have a blue Roadster exactly like this, but I did sell it because I really like the McLaren P1's engine sounds. Very nice. But yeah, we also have a muscle car here, the Camaro ZL1. Nice carbon fiber wing here, and a lot of carbon fiber on this car actually. Really like the carbon fiber wing here. But we do have the Huracan here, very clean looking spoiler there. And we have my McLaren P1. This McLaren right here has a lot of carbon fiber, as you guys can see there. And very aggressive diffusers here. But yeah, I actually really like the McLaren. A lot of carbon fiber there on the side mirrors and at the front lip here. Quite a lot of carbon fiber there on the McLaren. But as you guys can see, very nice cars. I also have a Zenvo, a yellow one. Not sure if that's how you say the name, but I'm pretty sure. But we also have a nice looking white Nissan GTR there. But yeah, pretty nice cars. We also have the blue M2 there, and the yellow Supra. I think they're having some road rage or something there. Oh my goodness, yeah, they're for sure having some road rage. Or they're just trying to do some donuts. Oh, look at this. Oh, the Supra's doing some donuts. Shoot, look. Yo, the Supra's doing some donuts. Oh my goodness, he almost crashed into my McLaren there. Pretty nice. Let me actually pop a donut real quick. I think I wanna. Oh my goodness, I just hit the GTR. And I just hit the Huracan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just scraped the Huracan right there. I think they think I'm leaving, but I'm actually trying to do a donut here. See if I could pop a donut. Here, I'm not sure if I can. Hopefully we can, but I'm trying to pop a donut. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I just totaled my front lip there. But I think we're just gonna park. Oh my goodness, M2 just hit me. Very crazy at this car meet. But yeah, I think my favorite car at the car meet is actually the Roadster here. Very nice looking Roadster. But here we do have two hypercars here. Very nice looking car. As you guys can see. Very nice. But I think now that we have just gotten at the just had a little meet at the Dunkin Donuts, I think we're gonna take a little drive down to the apartments. Head down towards the apartments and probably have a little meet down there. But yeah, also very nice view down at the apartments, right next to the ocean. But yeah, I think we're gonna head down there now. And yeah, oh my goodness, just got hit by the M2 here. M2 guy cannot drive, that's for sure a fact. But let's head down to the apartments now. I'm pretty full on gas. I don't think I need any gas. But if I do, there's probably a gas station on the way down. But yeah, let's head down to the apartments, and I'll probably record the drive and put music over it. So I hope you guys all enjoy the ride.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stop, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect timing, place it best, so I've been riding in my diamond, that's my Tesla. Yeah, hit it lick, make a band, yeah, that's what I'm all about. I ain't trust a middleman, had to cash it all out. Hey, gangsta, had to let the dogs out. Strapped in, blast off, yeah, I'm finna ball out. Yeah, we used to talk a lot, whole thing, same thing. Had my lady iced out, neck cold, no games. I always wanna talk about new bags, new things. Now I gotta work you out, you been so fake. Understand, I don't need you no more. Make a band, I ain't share no more. What's a 10? Without me, you a whole 4. You got a plan, now you ain't in the yard. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stop, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect timing, place it best, so I've been riding in my diamond, that's my Tesla. That's my Tesla, baby, I ain't next up. Steady, always blowing the money like an investor. Shawty is a tester, always trying to catch up. Now she's always stuck in the past, seeing she messed up. Yeah, you can tell you why you want me, I don't wanna hear it. Yeah, riding in that drop top, headed for the finish. Yeah, rolling with Miami in the back, yeah, we winning, yeah.
Alright guys, we have just made it to the apartments here. Pretty crazy drive. The Supra literally spun out and crashed into the side of the freeway there. But I think he's good. His car is like made out of like some kind of like obsidian or something, because it seems that he is totally fine after getting slammed into the side of the freeway. But yeah, I mean, only like how much of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6 of us made it. So like 2 guys probably like crashed and like just like fell off the side of the road or something. But we are missing the GTR. I have no idea. We're missing the GTR and the Zenvo. Oh, there comes a GTR. But where the heck is the there comes the Zenvo. They finally made it. Exactly enough parking spots for them. As you guys see, we have, how many cars is this? Like 8 cars. Exactly enough parking spaces here. Today was a pretty nice day, as you guys see, with all these cars at the car meet. All these different kinds of cars, very nice. Zenvo, pretty clean white car here. Oh my goodness, almost got hit by him. What the heck? But yeah, we got my P1 here, very fast car. This thing does have a lot of power and is rear wheel drive, so that thing can actually pop quite some nice donuts. It could drift very well. But the Nissan GTR here is also very quick. And yeah, but the Camaro here, it is a V8 American Muscle engine. It has a very nice sounding exhaust, very nice engine sounds. Really like this car actually. But yeah, very nice looking cars here. And I think that will conclude this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email.